The HMC Self-Loading Concrete Mixer combines several functions of a mobile mini concrete mixing plant. This 3.5 cubic meter per load equipment allows for autonomous and efficient loading, weighing, pumping, mixing, transporting, unloading, and washing, especially in remote locations. Its compact design and versatility make it ideal for a wide range of construction projects, providing an efficient solution for on-site concrete production without the need for static mixing plants. The machine is highly regarded for its ability to produce concrete on its own, making it easy to work in remote areas and maximizing productivity.